Friends, do you know? Potato chips are the #1 snack and the most consumed salty snack with $1.7 billion sold in 2017. This is no surprise as the crunchiness of the fried potato, the perfect level of saltiness, and the additional flavors make this snack absolutely irresistible when placed in front of you. The global potato chips market is also expected to grow, proving that there is no end in sight for our potato chip addiction. The global market value of potato chips is expected to reach $40.3 billion by 2022. Potatoes continue to be our choice of snack. Chips are an easy and fun choice when alone on the go, with friends, or with family. They are easy to place in any setting and loved by everyone. Potato chips often come with our drink at a bar or cafe, or eaten while watching a sports game, or are eaten during a party. But with growing trends for healthier choices, how is the potato chip market responding? Potato chips have always had a stigma attached to them as being junk food, but do they have any health benefits? Are there potato chips or substitute for potato chips that could be considered healthy or healthier? Friends, if you like this information, share it with others. Like and subscribe to our channel to learn similar interesting information. Thank you so much for watching the video.